5 best brokers to invest in stocks in UK. If you're living in the UK and thinking about investing in the stock market, the first step is to choose a broker that truly fits your goals. Sounds simple, right? But with so many platforms out there, how do you know which one is secure, affordable, and actually pleasant to use? In this video, we're gonna reveal a carefully selected ranking of the 5 best brokers to invest in stocks from the UK. We've looked at everything from fees and customer experience to tools, features, and reputation. Some brokers in this ranking are great for beginners, others are ideal if you're ready to take things more seriously, but the one that takes the number 1 spot, it's on a whole other level. Let's dive in. Number 5. Hargreaves Lansdown. Let's start strong with one of the most established names in UK investing. Hargreaves Lansdown is a favorite among investors who value trust and top-tier service. Why? Access to thousands of UK and global stocks. Excellent customer support based in the UK. Clear and informative investment research, ISA and SIP accounts available. What people really appreciate is how polished and professional the whole experience feels. The platform is easy to navigate and the educational content helps new investors make informed decisions. Now, fees are not the lowest, especially for frequent traders. But if you're focused on long-term investing and want a broker with a solid reputation, this is a strong candidate. And wait until you hear what comes next. Number 4. Freetrade. Freetrade has shaken up the market with its clean design and zero commission trading. It's made for people who want a simple, mobile-first investing experience. Why has it earned a place in this ranking? Commission-free trades on UK and US stocks, intuitive mobile app with a modern interface, fractional shares for easy diversification, stocks and shares ISA available. Many users highlight how stress-free it feels to invest through Freetrade. No complex charts, no cluttered dashboards, just a clear, easy way to start building your portfolio. Now, more advanced traders might miss some features like in-depth analytics or real-time market data, but if you want to invest casually, Freetrade is hard to beat, and we're just getting started. Number 3. eToro. eToro is best known for its social trading features, and yes, they're more than just a gimmick. This platform blends traditional investing with a modern, interactive experience. Let's take a closer look. Invest in stocks, ETFs, and even crypto. Zero commission on stock trades. Copy trading allows you to follow top investors, regulated in the UK by the Financial Conduct Authority. The community aspect of eToro is what makes it different. You can see what others are buying and get inspired by their portfolios or copy them directly if you prefer. And yes, you can open an account with a relatively low deposit. Users say it's fun to use, informative, and surprisingly powerful once you get the hang of it. But if you're looking for more control and deeper analysis, keep watching. Number 2. DeGiro. DeGiro is a European broker that's gained strong popularity in the UK, and it's easy to see why. Extremely low fees on UK, European, and US stocks, access to global markets and thousands of assets, user-friendly platform with solid execution, regulated by Dutch and UK authorities. DeGiro is ideal for investors who want broad access at a low cost. It doesn't offer ISA or SIP accounts, so it's better for those who already manage their tax strategies separately. But users often praise how efficient and fast the platform is. No frills, no clutter, just clear investing. And now, it's time to reveal the number 1 broker in this ranking. Number 1. Interactive Brokers. If you want the most complete, most professional, and most flexible broker in the UK, look no further than Interactive Brokers. Here's why it leads this ranking without question. Ultra-low commissions across UK, US, and international stocks. Access to over 150 markets in more than 30 countries. Currency conversion at interbank rates. Advanced trading platforms and tools, ISA and SIP accounts through partners. Whether you're a long-term investor or an active trader, Interactive Brokers gives you total control. You can buy UK shares, US tech stocks, global ETFs, and even invest in currencies, bonds, or commodities. Real users say they feel like they're getting professional level tools, but without the professional level costs. And the IBKR Global Trader app, it's a game changer. Fast, intuitive, and ideal for investors on the move. It's the one broker in this ranking that truly fits any strategy, whether you invest a little or a lot. Remember that you have the links to the brokers mentioned in the description and in the first pinned comment in the same order as in this video. And this is very important. This video is informative and reflects opinion. It is not investment advice. If you're unsure, always speak with a qualified financial expert. If this ranking helped you find the right platform to grow your investments, give the video a like. like, subscribe to stay updated with more tools, rankings, and tips that make investing easier and smarter. And remember, in the description, you'll find useful resources that can save you time and money. Take a look, you might discover the perfect solution for your goals.